Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and confirming numbers. Put on gloves and goggles, then measure the tank volume in liters so you can calculate the dose. Once done, check the bleach concentration on the label. Most household solutions are 5% 6% sodium hypochlorite. You want about 1 mg/L residual. Therefore, compute the milliliters of bleach needed from the concentration and tank volume. Make these calculations now so your first pour is accurate and effective. Once you have the right amount, dilute the measured bleach in a bucket at roughly 1 to 10 to avoid hot spots and make dosing safer. Then pour the diluted solution slowly around the tank perimeter or at multiple inlet points. This promotes even distribution. Make sure to operate the pump or use a manual stirrer and circulate for 30 to 60 minutes so the disinfectant contacts all surfaces. This mixing step is crucial because inadequate contact yields poor disinfection. You finish by testing chlorine residual after 30 to 60 minutes. Use a reliable test kit and aim for roughly 0.2 to 1. 0 mg/L as a safe residual. If the reading is too high, make sure to flush the tank with fresh water until levels fall into range, then retest. If levels stay low, add a small incremental dose and repeat mixing. Keep a clear record of doses and test results. If readings behave unexpectedly, check your calculations and bleach concentration as the...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.